Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. And today I'll be showing you how to wall climb boost, but another way. I did a part 1, but today I'm going to be doing a part 2 which is more better. So how I got up here, I'll just show you. This is not the place I'm going to be using, but I'm just going to show you how I got up here. So what you want to do, what you want to use is like, you want to go up here. Oh, I got a new glove. So what you want to do, you want to get on this block right here, and what you want to do, like, you want to face up here, face up, and just like spin, like jump spin. Like, let me show you, jump spin. See, and that's how I got up there. And this is not the place we're gonna be using. You can do it with no glove. Let me just show you. Let me take this off. This. Okay, that's good. You can do it no glove, I think, but I tried it once, but it did work. So let's try if it works. Yep, it works. So that's what you want to do. So let's just get to the place we want to use. Okay. Let's get it. Come on. I used the Game Pass for this one, so yeah. Okay. Where's my Psycho skin? Oh, right there. Okay, let's get. Okay. I can't believe we're just getting 1 views. Let's get more views, guys. Like, I want more subscribers. I still have 3 because I made a new account. So yeah, and if you want to play with me on Roblox, you just wanna comment your name down below and follow me on Roblox. I will leave my username in the bottom. Okay, so this is the place where you wanna this is the place I just like tested on. Oof, that was real bad. Let's try that again. Well, I'm not gonna be using this building, the building next to it, so we're gonna be using that one. So yeah. Oh, I got to do this. Okay. So what you wanna do is like, alright, I showed you already, but this is another way. If you run real quick, you get more power of jumping up there, like that. I'm really laggy. Please mind that, guys. Ew. Okay. So what you wanna do? Turn off this off. Yep. So what you wanna do is just like run, twist, and jump. Like run, twist, jump. I made a part 1, but that one really didn't work. Let me show you. It doesn't really work. Look, the one I made, like do that, then come back, it won't work. Look. See, it will just you will just fall. See? But this one is more better. You want to just spin like that. See? See, guys? You can use it on other stuff like jumping on other stuff. Like spin and jump to another building. Ready? Spin, jump to another building. Wait, let me try this one. Like that. And you just want to glide to it. And that's how you do it, guys. Yeah, that's how you do it. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, turn on the bell, and subscribe actually. Then comment down below what you want me to do next. I'm gonna be doing challenges tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing challenges. So you better get ready. Everybody, peace out. Alright? Peace out. Woo.